Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, you can see that the market has break and closed above the high over here and start to have a bit of a market uncertainty. We have a long shadow over here, and when the Friday market close, it has another long shadow as well. So if you're not too hurry and need to enter a trade, then just wait out. But if you're in the trade, then you just have to follow your plan. Overall trend is still bullish on the 4-hour chart. That's what we can see also. Very strong bullish movement, although we have a sharp retracement that just happened. So pretty much you have to observe how the market reacts at this area. Does it have a break and close above, or it start to consolidate at this area, which this will become a decision point at 1.3308. Very important price, take note of that. Down to 1-hour chart, this is pretty much what we have. This was the previous high, supports level over here. Market break and close below the support. Okay, over here break and close below, not this level, because as you can see, attempt to break below but never close below. All right, so first break and close below the support, and second break and close below. So pretty much I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity as an aggressive move. Back to daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. So over here, what you can see is that there is this indicator that I'm using, pretty much help traders to identify the buying opportunity and the selling opportunity. All right, and I pretty much do teach that. Just scan this QR code over here. You'll be led on to our website, can communicate with us and other traders. And of course, these are all the Android courses that you can start to learn how to trade over here. If you scroll down furthermore, then you get to see our trade ideas as well. All right, so back to our this analysis, what you can see is that on the daily chart, I'm waiting for a confirmation on the daily chart. But if you hit down to the 4-hour, okay, as you can see, the indicator has been very helpful. The action will be on the 1-hour chart. This is the sell zone I'm waiting for. If you remember, this high is pretty much the exact high over here that we're waiting at. So I'm waiting up at the previous high price and see how the market reacts. So if it does have a AB equals CD movement, the market may extend further, and by having that and a break of structure, then this entire trading setup will not be valid. I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity somewhere around this zone. As you can see, I've already set an alerts over here, so waiting for further confirmation. If you'd like to know what I do, from here you just scan the QR code, join us in our community. I'll be happy to share once there is a trade review. It will be under structure-based trade for this case. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and share your plan. Looking forward to see you soon in our community.